Good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 35. Just got the bell notification here signifying we got our earnings for the day. So on the money that I have invested, which is the 14,165, I have earned 75% of the profit for that, which comes down to $77.56 today, guys. Really good earnings day today. Very impressed. Really great week. Actually, really great last 2 weeks. I made over like $525, I think, both weeks combined. So the majority of the money, as you can see, guys, my overall balance is zero. Kind of like I posted this in my last video. Just going over in this video. Go down to my investment. I just have the one investment here. My monthly earnings $77.56. I have reset everything, guys, because I withdrew the money into my wallet in S Group, so my S wallet rather, and then I switched it over to the ShakePay, so I'm able to transfer it to my checking account. So you can see, guys, just look at my transaction history. It's still processing right now, so it looks like the blockchain is really slow today. So waiting for this to finalize. And once this finalizes, I'll make a video on the whole process of switching this into ShakePay and then transferring it to my checking account. And then I'll be releasing a video for that, guys. I'm going to combine all. I actually made 3 separate videos. I'm just going to combine them all into one, and then post it on my YouTube channel, guys. Which I highly suggest you guys hit the subscribe button down below in the bottom of this video, and that'll give you all notifications for all my updates for my account, so you guys can check it out. And yeah, guys, S Group is going along real well. I had some people asking me questions here about the different tier levels, how this all works, guys. So this base, I'm just going to explain this to you guys here. So if you invest in, so this is all dealing with the Forex market, which is what I'm dealing with. This company has 4 different markets, but 4 different things you can invest your money into. I'm talking about the Forex market specifically. So if you invest anywhere from $100 to $499, you will make 50% of the daily earnings, and the company will get 50%. If you invest anywhere from $500 to $1499, the company will get 40%. You get 60% of the daily profits. And yeah, kind of the rest of it is pretty straightforward. Next tier is if you invest $1,500 to $4,999, you'll get 65% of the profit. The company will get 35%. And then once you get to the $5,000 to $9,999, you'll get 30% of the profit, and the company will get 30%. And then the last few, this is the one I'm on right now, guys. If you're between $10,000 and $24,999, you'll get 75% of the daily profit, and the company will get 25%. And the next level here, if you're $25,000 to $49,999, you'll get 80%. The company will get 20%. And if you're $50,000 or above, you'll get 85%. The company will get 15%. And there's no other tier after that. That's the highest tier, guys. The guy that referred me in is at this level. He's actually now over 100,000 because he put his $50,000 bonus he got from his team back into the system, and now he's earning off of $100,000, guys. It's crazy. Like today, for example, he would have made like $600 or $700 just in this one day. So he's definitely making over $20,000 a month. Canadian, of course, because we're up in Canada. And yeah, guys, I mean, that could be you, like if you're good at marketing, building up your team and keeping your Forex running on autopilot, your account will keep growing and growing forever, guys. And you can just enjoy the money and do whatever you need to do with it. And yeah, guys, so I just wanted to give you guys this, see, look at this income for the last 30 days. This is how much I've made in the last 30 days, guys. This is my overall earnings. And yeah, guys, I mean, this comes to the end of actually my 5-minute daily review video. Again, I appreciate you guys checking my videos. I do these so that you guys can see my progress and motivate you guys to be part of this great company, guys. So click on the sign up link in the description down below. sign up, be a part of my team. My email address is in the description as well, so you can shoot me an email if you have any questions. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.